In today's episode, we'll show you how to create ultra-fashionable cartoon nails. We'll demonstrate tricks that will give the styling a cartoony feel and do a step-by-step analysis of working with a thin brush so that the design can delight with precision.
Hi, my name's Connie, and this is a channel dedicated to the art of nail styling. Today, we'll show you how to do a cartoon French manicure.
Products and tools we'll use in today's episode are gel polish in It's a Girl, Art Brillante gels in Black Poison, White, Danger and Luna Park, Tip Top Top Coat, Super Matte Top Coat, Master Nail Art 006 brush, a metal cuticle pusher and the nail art palette.
Cartoon nails have taken over Instagram and TikTok by storm. One might wonder if they haven't been created in some graphic design software, but no. It's the combination of products and shapes that creates this optical illusion, which is even more impressive in person. We'll make our job easier by choosing the most pigmented products. So we'll be using the Art Brillante range.
Our model's nails have been extended with light rose gel and shaped into a salon almond. We cover them with 2 coats of It's a Girl gel polish, curing each one in the lamp for 30 seconds. We gently push the cuticles away with a metal pusher before applying the second coat.
In a classic gel manicure, we try to drive the colour as close to the cuticles as possible to achieve a sleek, long-lasting finish. In the case of cartoon nails, we don't do it just yet. We will focus on that at the very end, using black colour to create the final outline. Now, we don't care so much about getting close to the cuticles because we're only forming the design's foundation.
We place a drop of Art Brillante Black Poison, Danger and Luna Park onto the nail art palette. Below these, we place 2 drops of Art Brillante White, which we'll use to lighten our colours. Using the Master Nail Art 006 brush, we create a pale mix of orange and white gel. We can add a bit more colour Art Brillante to achieve the desired shade. We wipe the brush bristles clean on a dry pad and proceed in the same manner with pink and white gel to create a paler shade. Now we proceed to paint a French tip using the whitened Luna Park. We start halfway up the nail and then connect the lines to create a classic tip. We paint a perfect smile line in the middle of the nail, then touch up the design with a thin brush and cure in the lamp for 30 seconds. We do the pink French tip on the ring and middle finger and the orange one on the pinky, index finger and thumb. We move on to painting the black outlines. We pick up some Art Brillante Black Poison from the nail art palette and starting at the cuticles on the right, we drive the brush up all the way to the free edge. We create a thin black line along the free edge, then drag the brush down towards the cuticles on the left. We continue drawing a thin line along the nail fold on the left and then along the cuticle to close up the outline. We cure in the lamp for 30 seconds, then repeat this action on every nail.
With cartoon nails, it's important to create a thin, straight line. It may seem to be an easy task, but there's nothing more deceiving. Everyone who's tried to create nail designs knows it very well. So, here's a few tips if you're just starting your nail decorating adventure. First of all, if we want to create a thin line, we need to hold the brush vertically. The more horizontal the brush, the thicker the line. So, on the flip side, the more upward we'll hold the bristles, the thinner the line will be. The second tip is to steady the drawing hand by resting its pinky on the side of the other hand, the one holding the client's finger, which will minimize the risk of unexpected jitters. And as with any ornamental work, it's worth freeze curing our work in stages, so that if we do mess up, there is only a little bit to redo and not the entire styling.
Now we need to paint a black outline on the French tip. We start in the middle and go right, then we work from the left side and drag the line towards the middle. We cure in the lamp for 30 seconds. We repeat this action on every nail. Then we add a drop of Luna Park and Tip Top onto the nail art palette. We pick up the colour with a thin brush and mix it with a top coat to achieve a semi-transparent hue. We paint a curved line in the middle of the French tip on the middle and ring finger, then cure in the lamp for 30 seconds.
Cartoon nails comic book style is created by the use of appropriate colours. In theory, we use 3 colours. Black is the foundation of the contour, something red, highly saturated orange or hot pink to add some cartoonish vibe, and white for the highlights. It's very important to clean the brush thoroughly with a dry wipe while transitioning between colours to avoid blurring the effect.
We create vertical reflections on the right side by painting elongated lines, which we also cure in the lamp for 30 seconds. We add some Danger and Tip Top onto the nail art palette now and create another semi-transparent shade. We add identical shade lines to the pinky, index finger and thumb's French tip, then cure in the lamp for 30 seconds. We place some Art Brillante White and Tip Top onto the nail art palette and create the final semi-transparent shade to create additional highlights on the thumb, pinky and index finger. We start by the cuticles on the right and draw an elongated line parallel to the nail wall. We draw a full teardrop line on the right-hand side, and on the left, we draw a shorter line and a dot. We cure the design in the lamp for 30 seconds. We secure the whole design with super matte top coat, painting gently, almost in the air. We drag the product carefully towards the cuticles using a thin brush, then cure in the lamp for 30 seconds. This is what our cartoon nail styling looks like in all its glory.
And that's the end of our episode. Do let us know in the comments below if comic book nails inspired you or if you have already worn such designs on your nails. As you can see, I choose more classic designs these days, but I bet that 10 years ago, I would have loved this trend on my nails just as much as I love it on social media today. Remember, we're here every Wednesday. See you soon.